You have seen this slide before if you were here last time. What is represented on this chart in the black line was our total inventories in our SOX product line in the United States. The green line that you see running down there is the products that we put on demand pull. And we were able to report at the last conference that our chronic inventory problem, 2.3 turns a year, dropped or increased in turns. The inventory dropped enough to increase the turns to 7 turns a year. I'm happy to report that that program has tripled in size since we last met, and we have gotten our inventory turns somewhere between the range of 9 and 11. Now you need to understand, we did not change our IT systems, we did not change the accuracy of our forecast, we did not even implement at the customer level. We only implemented between manufacturing and ourselves. Let me tell you what we're currently working on. The upper left-hand chart, yellow line represents our historical inventory. Blue line represents our sales. This is for our duffel bags and for our gym sacks, some of our core things. This is just one segment of our bags product line. We believe that that middle line, that light green line, is all the inventory that's necessary in order to support that same level of sales. That's all that's necessary. But there's an even bigger story that we keep telling over and over again. You've heard about process variation. Lower chart, yellow line, represents how we buy that from our manufacturers. Sales, or the blue line, represents how our customers buy it from us. Dr. Lee from Stanford, I think, has accurately called it the bullwhip. Me, I think it's crack the whip. Remember playing that game when you were a kid? Look at how much variation we were throwing at the manufacturers. There is a light green line oscillating through, almost at the same level of sales. That is our predicted order rate against manufacturing. We literally open up at the most key season. With this particular line, we open up over 100,000 units to be produced on something else that may be selling. And right now, we have to build months in advance in order to avoid that key season. So we're not seeing just wins on our side. We're seeing wins on our manufacturing side, and we're seeing wins on the customer side.